Hello friends, today we are going to see a practical on session hijacking. Let's start with the objective. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to bypass Facebook authentication using a session hijacking technique. There are various ways to hijack a session and we are in this video interested in cookie stealing technique. So, what is a cookie? I hope everyone out here knows what is it. But for a newbie, let me explain what it actually is. In simple words, a cookie is a small text of information stored on the client machine by the server in order to track the user and its activities on the website. Cookies also contains user identification and authentication information. So if we are able to produce the same text in our machine, then we can use the same session to communicate with the server. Steps required. There are only two simple steps to hijack a user session. First, stealing cookies of the victim. In the first step, we deploy some procedures and techniques to steal or copy valid cookies from the victim's machine in a plain text or sometimes even in some predefined required format. Second, injecting stolen cookies. The second step consists of injecting the stolen cookies in the attacker browser. Tools of the trade. First, to steal cookies. For stealing cookie, we are going to use Wireshark. Wireshark is the world's foremost network protocol analyzer. It lets you capture and interactively browse the traffic running on a computer network. So where can you download it? This software can be downloaded from the website www.wireshark.org. Second, to inject stolen cookies. To inject the cookie in the attacker browser, we are going to use a Firefox add-on, namely Cookies Manager Plus. This add-on can be downloaded for the Firefox from the addons.mozilla.org. In this practical, we are going to use two browsers. One is Flock, from where we will log into the Facebook account as victim. The attacker will launch its backtrack operating system or any other with Wireshark installed and try to fetch cookie using it. After getting the cookie, he will inject that in the Mozilla browser, the hacker's browser. So, let's start Flock browser and log into the victim's account. Here it comes. Okay, Facebook, email ID, password, login. Here I am. I'm logged in. Let's go to news feed and then try to write something on my wall. Let us write I am logged in using Flock browser. Let's post it. Now let us start Wireshark. Open backtrack. Here I am using virtual machine and I have installed backtrack operating system into it. Wireshark is pre-installed on this operating system. So let us fire the terminal and execute our command Wireshark. Wireshark is initializing, and here it comes. Let's start capturing the packets by choosing our interface. Here is it, ETH2. Let's click on Start. Now let us try to filter our packets. http://cookie cookie space contains space DATR and then click on Apply. Do we have any cookie? Yeah, we have one cookie. Click on it and click on Follow TCP stream. Search for the value cookie. Where is it? Where is it? And here it comes. Here it is. Cookie. Now we will copy this value up to XS. Okay. Copy this value into a notepad file on the Windows machine. It is not necessary, but for the sake of convenience. Okay. A new text document and then Control V. Now let us arrange these cookie values in some understandable format. Okay. Now let us launch Firefox. Firefox is open. Try to open facebook.com and enter. Is it opening? No. It is asking for username and password. Okay, no problem. Click on Web Developer and Cookie Manager Plus. Try to open. Click on whole site and delete the previous all cookies. Now click on Add. Name. Copy one value. We have to add cookie value one by one. Okay. First take DATR. Copy from the notepad. Paste in name. Again copy content. Paste it in the content field. Delete last colon, semicolon. On host, write .facebook.com. On path, let us give root. Okay, save it. Similarly, add all other values. Control C. Here Control V. Delete semicolon. Again, control the copy the content. Paste it in the content field. Save it. Similarly, we have to add all the fields. Let me add all the fields. Control X, Control V, save, Control C, add, Control V, local, UCL, okay. Control X, Control V, data equal to sign, save, C user, Control C, add, Control V, delete semicolon, Control C again, Control V, delete the equal to sign and save it. Now finally the last cookie value XS. Copy, file, add, Control V, save. Now let us minimize it, the notepad file. Now we have add all our cookie values. Click on refresh button and voila, we are in. We are inside the Facebook account of the victim without keying any user and password. Let us comment on the victim's post. See, now I am logged in using Firefox using session hijacking. So guys, this was a simple demo of session hijacking. If you feel any problem, feel free to contact at universe.in and please do post your comments. Bye bye.